This meeting is being recorded.
Salam sejahtera, Mr. Zamri. I'm the leader of CodingDaBest. My name is Desmond. Please let me introduce my group mate, which is NEOH, LING, So Li Wang, Lo Jiaping, and Kok Hui Zhen. The project is encapsulate a bill management application designed to manage user record, calculate electricity tariffs, and handle the storage and retrieval of these records. The application is built using Java and includes a user interface built with Swing for easy interactions. The main components are the main controller, user info, record management, calculation, and app class, each contributing to the overall functionality.
Next, for the main controller class. The main controller class is the central hub of the applications managing user records and coordinating the actions between different components. We have two attributes in this class, which is record manager, while the second is array list user info records. And we use constructor to initialize the record managers and records. And we contain 6 methods, which is add record, display records, search record, delete record, save records to file, and the last is show records for admin.
Okay. Next is the user info. The user info class encapsulation the user information acting as a data model, and it has its attributes is user ID, username, and KWJ, and the number of user. And the constructor is initializer user ID, username, and KWJ, and increments of number of user. And her method is got getter methods, reduce number of user, and print info.
So now I will explain the record manager class. The record manager class handles the manipulation of user record, including adding, deleting, searching, and displaying record. In this class, we have 5 methods, which is add record, to add a new record to array of lists. Then the second method is delete record, which is the user can delete the record by using user ID. The third one is search record. This function is to search for record by input the user ID. The fourth method is to display all record. This method is to display all record in a formatting string. The last method is record info. This method is to generate a detailed string of user record information.
Now I would like to discuss about the calculations and add classes. The calculations class performs the necessary calculations for tariff and total bills, while the add class provides the user interface. Now I would like to talk about the content of the calculations class method, which is calculate tariff, calculate KWTBB, calculate SST, and calculate total bill. The second one is add class. It extends JFrames to create a swing-based GUI and contains buttons for different functionalities and a text areas for displaying records, and implements action listeners to handle button clicks, invoking correspondent methods in main controller. Now I would like to pass to my group member, which is Desmond, to run the output.
Now I would like to present our output as GUI. So when we start a program, firstly we should press the add record. Then we just enter the user ID and enter the username. Then we enter the KWJ. Then the record will be added successfully. So when we search the records, let's say we search based on user ID, then it will show all the user ID, username, KWJ, and all the calculations. And next is the display record is also same. So now I'm gonna add another user into it. So now you can see that both records is added successfully, so that can display it out. So now I'm gonna save the record. So when I save both the records, when the admin want to show the records, we will show it as a username, KWJ, total tariffs, total KWTBB, total SSD, and total price. This both will save to the file text. Lastly, I will delete the records. So when we delete the records, let's say we press 1, 2, 3, 4. It will show a deleted user record, and the record will be deleted. So now I'm going to show, see, the first record is deleted. Lastly is the exit. So when exit, the system will break. Now I'm going to show you about our UML diagram for our project. The UML diagram shows that all the class and methods are connected and related to each other. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.